we are, the corner of Dartmouth and Marlborough Street, the day of the hurricane. Hurricane Irene coming in about 5 or 6 hours. Trying to get some of the gray stuff in here in the city. Pretty quiet. It's also a major trashing weekend for picking up trash in the alleys and the surrounding areas of Boston. So as they say, the wind and the rain put a damper on that this weekend. I'm going to be entering LA 451 in a few seconds here. LA 451 is one of the major traveled trash LAs in the city of Boston. At times you'll see 50 to 100 people going down this stretch from Arlington to Massachusetts Avenue. At this time of the year, everything is thrown out.